Ballet Barre Battements to second position, Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course, Jacklyn Dougherty. Face the front, fifth position, right foot front combination. Counts 1 to 2, introduction. Place the left hand on the bar. Counts 3 to 4, lift the right arm through second position and place the hand on the shoulder. Counts 1 to 2, one battement tendu to second and close in first. Count 3, 4, one battement tendu to second and close in and close fifth position derriere. 5 to 6, one battement tendu to second, close in first. 7 to 8, one battement tendu to second and close fifth devant. Counts 9 to 12, repeat for a second time with right foot. Lower the hands off the bar and shoulder to close in fifth en basse. Note: all tendus are articulated. You are encouraged to close through first position to the fifth position. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.